Hello, this is Bharat Tippireddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor with close to 1 million students across 200 countries on Udemy. If you want a clear learning path from basics of Python to AI agents, then watch this. We will start with my Python for Beginners course, which will lay the foundations. This 5-star rated course has so far helped hundreds of thousands of students to master Python. You will then build real applications from my Django and Django REST Framework courses. Make your applications production ready by mastering Docker. You will then learn how to build applications faster from my GitHub Copilot for Python and Django developers course. You will then enter the world of GenAI through my OpenAI for Python developers course. From the basics of LLMs to prompt engineering and RAG, you will master them all. My best-selling LangChain for Beginners course will not only teach you how to create LLM applications, but agents while using MCP and tracing through LangSmith. If you are creating a production-grade RAG pipeline with evals and all other best practices, then there is a course for that as well. LangGraph is a framework that allows us to create agentic workflows while providing us access to tools, memory, and more. Join now and kickstart your journey from Python basics all the way to Agentic AI.